Okay, you guys, welcome back again to my channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our recipes that we try to do for you every single week. We're gonna continue with Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is not only about turkey, but it's all about all of the other side dishes that you can create for that wonderful Thanksgiving dinner for your family. In this case, I'm gonna show you how to do a nice mashed potato, the way I do my mashed potato, creamy mashed potatoes. In this case, I use red potatoes, which are better for mashing than the Idaho potatoes, because the Idaho potatoes are more like for frying or baking them. I'm also gonna do a cream for the mashed potatoes using butter, heavy cream, garlic, and for a little bit of garnish, I'm gonna use chive. I'm just gonna chop it off and sprinkle on top of the mashed potato when it's all done. Okay, clean the potato very well until you have it very clean. Take off the excess dirt with water, so you don't want to have no dirt boiling in your water. Cutting the potatoes in 4 parts. If the potato is a little bit bigger, just cut it in 6 parts. That way, it's gonna be more easier, more quicker to boil them. I regularly leave my potato with the skins so you could have that crunchy bite when you eat them. Okay, in order to do the cream for your mashed potato, just add a little bit of olive oil so you can saute your garlic first. Add the minced garlic, saute it a little bit so you can open up those flavors. Don't let it burn. You just want to open up the garlic. When you see that it starts smelling immediately, the garlic smell, just throw the butter so the butter can start melting as well by the garlic is cooking. See? Now you have the garlic, butter melting all together. Once you have the butter almost melted, just add the cream. A little bit of salt and pepper for taste. Lower the fire and let it cook for just about 30 seconds. Once the potatoes are soft, just transfer it into a bowl for mashing. Add a little bit of butter and just a little bit of the potato water. Get a potato masher and mash that all together. Okay, once it's all mashed, then add the cream on top with the garlic and the butter. And keep mashing. Now you can feel how soft they are and how creamy they are. Just chop the chives thinly so you can sprinkle it on top of your mashed potatoes. To serve, just put it on a nice plate, like that on top. See how creamy that looks. You can tell by when I push the spoon inside, you can see how everything moves. So it's so creamy it is. So can also add a little bit of gravy there. And if you haven't seen how I prepare this gravy, you can actually watch our other video on how to do Thanksgiving gravy. Let's pour that on top. There. And then garnish with some chive. Nice creamy mashed potato for Thanksgiving. So let's see how it tastes with the gravy, chives, that creamy mashed potato there. And if you like this recipe and you want to see all of my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and enjoy. Mm-mm-mm.